Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using ETRADE. You're watching a review of ETRADE, a leading online brokerage platform. Find the link to their platform in the description below. ETRADE has a strong reputation as a comprehensive brokerage, offering a robust suite of features and diverse investment options suitable for both novice and seasoned traders. One of its major attractions is commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options, making it a highly competitive choice in today's brokerage market. For newcomers, ETRADE's user-friendly mobile app and web platform provide seamless access to a broad spectrum of financial products, spanning stocks, ETFs, options, mutual funds, and bonds. The platform is designed for easy navigation, featuring intuitive charting tools and straightforward trade execution. ETRADE also invests in educational resources, offering articles, videos, and webinars to empower new investors to develop and refine their trading skills. A key highlight of ETRADE is its sophisticated options trading platform. This platform equips options traders with comprehensive tools, including strategy builders, advanced charting capabilities, and real-time data feeds. This makes it an excellent fit for active traders seeking greater flexibility and control over their options strategies. For those interested in ETFs and mutual funds, ETRADE offers a diverse selection coupled with research reports to facilitate informed investment decisions. ETRADE also offers its Power ETRADE platform, providing enhanced features such as advanced charting, customizable workspaces, and robust risk analysis tools. This platform is particularly well suited for experienced traders requiring in-depth analytical capabilities. Another advantage is ETRADE's dependable customer support, offering 24/7 assistance via phone, chat, and email. It's worth noting that ETRADE does impose fees for certain services, such as broker-assisted trades and some mutual funds, which could be a potential downside for some users. Nevertheless, ETRADE remains an excellent overall choice for both beginners and experienced investors, providing a wide array of investment options, powerful tools, and reliable customer support. Be sure to click the link in the description for more information and to explore the platform yourself.